Introduction to social housing. The introduction. This module will provide an introduction to social housing and its demand in the UK. It will also discuss how social housing is allocated and the disparities across housing tenures. The following topics will be covered. What is social housing? The necessity of social housing. Range of people living in social housing. What is social housing? Social housing encompasses homes that are offered at reasonable rents and on a secure basis to those who need it most or are struggling with their housing costs. It is usually provided by councils and housing associations. The purpose of social housing is to provide a home that is affordable to people on low incomes. The necessity of social housing. In England, social housing accounts for 17% of all households. One of the problems present in the social housing sector is adequate and affordable homes are not being built. This has led to an increase in requests for social housing. Since there isn't sufficient housing for everyone, those who it would be of use to have to rent privately instead. This is leaving thousands of families and vulnerable households without a satisfactory home. Private renters outnumber those residing in social housing, making over 1.8 million households waiting for a social property. Private renting usually consists of short-term contracts, unforeseeable rent increases, a lack of stability,